So the next type of partial fractions then that we'll look at are ones with repeated factors. So that's one where you've got a factor in the bottom that has a squared on the outside. So for this, we say we'll let that equal to a over 2x plus 1 plus b over x minus 2 plus c over x minus 2 all squared. So whatever one is repeated, you need to have it in twice, one on its own and then one with the repeated one. So whenever we put this as our common denominator, we have a upon x minus 2 squared plus b upon 2x plus 1 upon x minus 2 plus c upon 2x plus 1. So then our top lines, we've got 2x squared plus 29x minus 11 equals a upon x minus 2 all squared plus b upon 2x plus 1 upon x minus 2 plus c upon 2x plus 1. Now we'll start this in the same way as we did with the linear factors. So we'll let x equal 2 first of all. On the left hand side that becomes 55. A and b will disappear, so we're just left with c. We'll put in x is 2 and we get that's 5c, which gives you that c is 11. Then I'm going to put in x equal minus a half. In the left hand side that becomes minus 25, and then on the right hand side your b and your c disappear and you're left with 25 over 4a. So a turns out to be minus 4. Now you can't substitute any other x values in that will get rid of any of your terms here. So the easiest way to do this then is to equate x squared. So if we multiplied out this whole line, the x squareds on the left hand side would have to equal the x squareds on the right hand side. So on the left hand side we just have 2x squared. If we multiplied this out, we'd have a x squared and would have 2b x squared. The c part wouldn't give us any squared value at all. We know then what a is, so we can substitute that in, and then you have a basic equation to solve. So we've got 2b equals 6, and then b equals 3. And again, give your answer as the full partial fraction. So it's a minus 4 over 2x plus 1 plus 3 over x minus 2 plus 11 over x minus 2 all squared. Our second one then, 11x squared plus 14x plus 5 all over x plus 1 all squared upon 2x plus 1. So this time we're going to let that equal a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 1 squared plus c over 2x plus 1. So then we can write 11x squared plus 14x plus 5 equals a upon x plus 1 upon 2x plus 1 plus b upon 2x plus 1 plus c upon x plus 1 all squared. Then again we'll let x equal different values. When x is minus 1, the left hand side becomes 2 and the right hand side becomes minus b. So therefore b is minus 2. When we let x equal minus a half, the left hand side becomes 3/4. the right hand side becomes a quarter c, so c equals 3. And then this is where we'll have to equate. Again, I always equate the x squared. You can equate any of the letters, but I always do the x squareds. So we have 11 on the left hand side, would have 2a. If we multiplied out this part, would have no x squareds in the b, and then we would have c x squared over here. So then we know what c is. So we can say, well, 2a would have to equal 8. So a would equals 4. And then write out your answer. So that equals a, which is 4 over x plus 1, minus 2 over x plus 1 squared, plus 3 over 2x plus 1.